Blender is used to blend powder product like pharmaceutical, chemicals, dyes, pigments, organics, agriculture's products, minerals, pesticides and food products. Varahi ribbon blender is one kind of mixer to mix different powders. Horizontal mixer is precisely designed to maintain combination of three major dimensions is diameter, ribbon width and pitch. It is for effective distribution of very small amount of additive added is getting effected and assures homogeneity of final output. Powder is got rotary as well as horizontal motion in positive direction to get effective blending which is happen by design perfect sizing of inner and outer ribbons.